माय नेम इज़ निशान। हम कर रहे हैं केमिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चन। तो देखते हैं क्या क्वेश्चन है। विच इज़ ए नाइदर एलिमेंट नॉर मरकरी वाटर ग्लूकोज। तो एयर ना ही एलिमेंट है ना ही कंपाउंड है। एलिमेंट्स क्या होते हैं? स्पीस ऑफ एटम हैविंग नंबर एंड प्रोटॉन एटॉमिक न्यूक्लियाई। कंपाउंड क्या होते हैं? अ कंपाउंड विच इज़ ए केमिकल सब्सटेंस कंपोज ऑफ मैनी आइडेंटिकली मोल्स कंपोज एटम एंड एलिमेंट हेल्ड टुगेदर केमिकल बॉन्ड दैट एटम ऑफ सेम एलिमेंट बॉन्डेड मॉलिक्यूल do not a chemical compound since the would require different element. स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट इज जो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट होते हैं वो ऑक्सीडाइज होते हैं बिकॉज वो क्या करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज़ करते हैं। इलेक्ट्रॉन इन रोडेक्स रिएक्शन है। एग्जाम्पल रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट इंक्लूड द अर्थ मेटल फॉर्मिक एसिड सल्फेट कंपोनेंट। रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट रिड्यूस अदर सब्सटेंस एंड लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन देयरफॉर oxidation state is increased. So S2S. LPG liquid petroleum gas is mixture of butane and propane. An element atomic weight is 24, equivalent weight is 1, the valency is 2. Dry ice is a solid dry ice is carbon dioxide. Ice is a solid CO2. The gas which is responsible for the rise in a mean temperature of the world. तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऐसी गैस जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो रेज करने के लिए मीन टेम्परेचर को वर्ल्ड का, तो है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एलिमेंट आर रिलेटेड टू वैलेंसी। द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एलिमेंट आर रिलेटेड टू एटॉमिक वेट, एटॉमिक नंबर, नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन इन द न्यूक्लियस या वैलेंसी। द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एलिमेंट आर ड्यू टू द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन अराउंड द एटम्स न्यूक्लियस, particularly the outer the valence electrons, and these electrons are involved in the chemical reaction. Sodium is the sulfate is called hypo. Sodium thiosulfate is called hypo. Fun Academy. The amalgamization is a mixture of mercury plus metal. The amalgam is an alloy of mercury with another metal. The process involved in is called the amalgamization. A chemical used in photography is sodium thiosulfate. A chemical used in photography is sodium thiosulfate. The oxidized agent in the following is the potassium dichromate. The oxidizing agent is the potassium dichromate. Alcohol contain OH group. Alcohol contain OH group. Alcohol is the homologous series in which the compound contain a functional group of called a hydrolysis group OH, which is a following an enzyme. In what is an enzyme catalyze the hydrolysis breakdown and sucrose stable sugar. Petroleum is a mixture. Petroleum is a naturally occurring complex mixture made of the predominantly of carbon hydrogen compound, but also frequently containing the significant amount of nitrogen, sulfur and oxygen together with a smaller amount of nickel, vanadium and other element. Oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid is 6. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. The oxygen of number of hydrogen is 1 and oxygen of number of O minus 2. The LPG liquid petroleum gas, the gas leakage can be detected by using mercaptan. Unpleasant substance in the form of trace of the mercaptan are usually added to assistant in the identify leak. The odor of may be perceived as the rotting egg and filtering unpleasant skunk smell. Person detecting the odor must be educated the area and obtain from using open flame and operating electrical equipment to reduce the risk of fire and explosion. Fun Academy. The scientist who gave the atomic concept is called John Dalton. Fun Academy. The oxidation state of Fe complex is +2. Aspirin is a acetylene salicylate. Pick up the molecule contain coordination bond and NH4Cl, which is not a fusel full charcoal. DT is discovered by Paul Moeller. The chemical reaction correct is 2H2 plus O2. The valency of helium is 0. Producer gas is mixture of CO2 plus H2. LPG, the gas leakage can be detected by using mercaptan. Oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid is 6. Petroleum is a mixture which is not an enzyme, carbon, glucose, ethanol. Invertase is an enzyme that catalyzes the hydrolysis of sucrose. Can alcohol contain OH group? Washing soda is sodium carbonate. Washing soda is a sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 is the inorganic compound. It is a various hydrolate. All form white water soluble salt. The chemical used in washing of film roll is sodium thiosulfate. Find out the odd. PVC, nylon, trilene, DTT. Trichlorotrichlone, common known as a DT, is a colorless, tasteless, almost odorless crystalline chemical compound and organochlorine. Other three options are polymer of commercial importance. The number of electrons that can be accommodated in case shell. The number of electrons that can be accommodated case shell, it's a 2. Case shell only hold 2 electron. L shell only hold 8 electron. M shell only hold 8 electron. M shall be actually up to 8 electron as move to higher atomic number. Chloroform is a nitrous oxide as antiseptic. Chloroform nitrous oxide are the antiseptic. The inner transition element among of these lanthanum. Lanthanum itself is sometimes considered to be d block element because it is no electron in f orbit, but it does not have an electron in d orbit. Find out odd one. Benzene, furane, thiopene, parallel. It is a colorless violet liquid that darkness reality upon the exposure of eyes, and usually you purify the distillation immediately before use. Pyrrole has the note door. Pyrrole is a 6-member aromatic heterocycline furnace and thiosin. The general formula of alkyne CnH2n-2. Ascorbic acid is vitamin C. Ascorbic acid is vitamin C. The vitamin help in the clotting in the blood. Blood is vitamin K. The vitamin that help in a clotting of blood is vitamin K. Unacademy. Washing soda is baking soda NaHCO3. Washing soda is NaCO3. ड्राई आइस जो है वो हमारा है सॉलिड CO2 और मार्बल जो है हमारा CaCO3. Which is a correct match? Conductor copper. Paper is made of cellulose. Paper is made from the raw material called pulp cotton and other fiber also used to create paper. Most paper usually produced by wood pulp. Some pulp consists of the vegetables, fiber and various additives to control the physical characteristic, prenatability and authenticity of the finishing product. Sodium bicarbonate is called baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate is called baking soda. NaHCO3. Starch is the example of polysaccharide. Starch is the example of polysaccharide. The substance coating on a photographic film is silver bromide. The substance coated on a photographic film is silver bromide. Which of the given statement is liquid at room temperature? Bromine. How many neutrons are present in the nucleus of the deuterium atom? How many neutrons are present in the nucleus of deuterium atom? It's 1. The only element is not containing neutron in it. The nucleus is an isotope of hydrogen. Laser produce high intensity concentrated light. The fiber least prone is catch fire is cotton. The fiber least prone to catch fire is cotton. Neon police catch करते but expect. क्या आप competitive exam? The happen equivalent condense electrolyte dilute may increase or decrease depending of the electrolyte. Amalgam are the allow containing Hg. Amalgam are allow which resistant corrosion. Among of the anticipate chloroform. A trichloromethane is a organic compound with formula CHCl3. It is a colorless, sweet smelling, dense liquid that is produced on large scale as a Precursor to PTT is also precursor to various refrigerator. The fiber least prone to catch fire, cotton. Laser produce high intensity concentrate light. The only element contain nucleus to an isotope of hydrogen. Element in liquid temperature, bromine. Substance coating photographic film is silver bromide. The substance coated on photographic film is silver bromide. Starch is an example of polysaccharide. Sodium bicarbonate is called baking soda. Paper is made of cellulose. Correct. Conductor is copper. Antipyretic is acetaminophen. Antimalarial is chloroquine. Antibiotic is penicillin. Disinfectant iodoform.